Hi coders and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of computer science and exploring a fundamental concept, the first in, first out FIFO algorithm. What is FIFO? Imagine a line at a coffee shop. People join the line at the back, and they get served in the order they arrived. That's FIFO in action. FIFO stands for first in, first out, and it's a simple yet powerful concept used in various applications, from managing queues to memory management in computers. How does FIFO work? Think of a queue as a list. New items are added at the back, and the first item in line, front, gets processed first. It's like a waiting list where everyone patiently waits for their turn. Example: video editing software. Let's use video editing software as an example. You might have multiple clips waiting to be edited. When you add a clip to the timeline, it goes to the end, following the FIFO principle. The clip you added first will be edited before the one you just added. Benefits of FIFO. Asterisk simple and easy to understand. Anyone can grasp the first come, first served concept. Asterisk fairness. Everyone gets a chance in the order they arrived. Asterisk efficient for short queues. In situations with a low number of items, FIFO works smoothly. Drawbacks of FIFO. Not optimal for all cases. Imagine editing a video and needing a specific clip in the middle frequently. With FIFO, you'd have to move everything after it each time, which can be inefficient. Doesn't consider priority. Important tasks might get stuck behind less important ones if they arrived later. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and like a video.